Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
5 steps to great annotations. Ask questions. Students can ask questions like the following. Where are you confused? Add personal responses. What does this text remind you of in your own life? Draw pictures and/or symbols. Mark things that are important. Summarize what you've read.
Take our lead.
Steps to annotating a source. Survey. This is your first time through the reading. Look through the article, chapter, book. Skim. This is your second time through the reading. Read the first few sentences of the first few paragraphs. Identify the main thesis. Read. This is your third time through the reading.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Terms in this set. 6. Step 1. Number. Number each paragraph. Step 2. Chunk. Divide the text into chunks. Step 3. Keywords. Circle keywords. Step 4. Left margin. Step 5. Right margin. Step 6. Extras.
Take our lead.
The 4-step process. Choose your sources. First, locate and record citations to books, periodicals, and documents that may contain useful information and ideas on your topic. Review your items. Second, review the items that you've collected in your search. Write the citation. Write the annotation.
Let's help you make your mark.
An annotation is a brief note following each citation listed on an annotated bibliography. The goal is to briefly summarize the source and/or explain why it is important for a topic. They are typically a single concise paragraph, but might be longer if you are summarizing and evaluating.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.